All right, cruise fans, picture this. Champagne popping, sun blazing, and music thumping right on the white sands of Bimini in the Bahamas. Now, who's at the center of this wild, sun-soaked celebration? None other than the legend himself, Sir Richard Branson. That's right, he just threw one of the most epic cruise parties I've ever seen, and it's all thanks to Virgin Voyages. Now let me set the scene for you. We got cruise fans, adventure seekers, and even a few lucky travel writers all gathering on the Valiant Lady. This ship's not just a boat, it's like a floating festival, where every turn's got a surprise. Richard Branson, always the showman, kicked things off in style, savoring a bottle of bubbly and getting the whole crowd in party mode. I mean, if you're gonna celebrate, you might as well do it big, right? But here's what makes this bash stand out. Virgin Voyages isn't just about sailing from point A to point B. Nah, they're shaking up the entire cruise game. We're talking drag brunches, tattoo parlors at sea, and get this, live performances from artists like Nicky Jam, who lit up the main deck with a concert folks will be talking about for years. If you thought cruises were just for bingo and shuffleboard, well, think again. Richard Branson's got this knack for turning everyday experiences into something unforgettable. At this party, he mingled with guests, posed for selfies, and even hopped on stage for a dance or two. There's just something about his energy. Makes you want to jump right in and join the fun. The vibe aboard Virgin Voyages is all about freedom and adventure. No stuffy dress codes, no set dining times, just pure laid-back fun. And let me tell you, folks on this cruise were living it up. Sipping cocktails at the beach club, floating in crystal clear water, and partying without a care in the world. So if you ever dreamed about cruising through the Bahamas, dancing with a billionaire, and being part of something totally new, Virgin Voyages has got you covered. Richard Branson's party in Bimini wasn't just a celebration, it was a declaration. Cruise travel is changing, and y'all are invited along for the ride. Keep your eyes peeled. Next time, it could be you popping that champagne. Until then, remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more cruise adventure.